Right. Welcome. Now, there it is. There it is. Car that made me make a, should I call a stupid decision? But the car that I bought blindly. Finally, I am meeting it for the first time. Right, what's the first impression? I haven't even opened it yet. So, a bit of dust, don't need washing up, but right. Okay, so let's walk around. Remember I said it had huge wheels. Those wheels are off now. Where I bought, the guy made a deal and changed the car. The rim is very similar, but this is smaller wheel, but the wheels before were 20 inch and these are 18, so I might keep these. I don't know, I might keep these, but I'll see. Maybe I might even reduce them further to less 16 inch wheel and then put a chunky tire there. But it's been reduced to 18 wheels from 20 inch wheels. Now, how does it look like? It looks very nice. It's fabulous. And there's my Prado there, and just there the so-called cockroach. They call it cockroach in in Eastern Europe. That's the Hyundai Terracan there. All right. Now let's go back to the so-called the dream. Now, remember I said I don't know whether I made a stupid decision, which I'm going to regret because I paid a lot of money for it. Let's see. We'll see. So I've got a bunch of keys here. Let me find the right keys. Okay, there's the right key. Let's open it. What am I doing? Right. How about the interior? Well, it's got leather seats. They're not tired. Not bad at all. Right. Let's hear it. Right. Okay. Right. There's a beast rolling. Quickly, let me go and see if it smokes. No smoke at all. Right. Let's see the bonnet. That's where the magic happens. There it is. 1HDFTE. Hey. Let's hear they call it let's hear they call it kikohozi or a cough. Let's hear it. Yeah. Right. Look if there's any smoke there. No smoke at all. You can hear it purring. Perfect. Now, what's the deal? This vehicle it's not without problems. Okay, you can't buy a used car without problems at all. There will be problems. The trick is to not spend a fortune. Now, this car has got few issues, but when I compare the issue with the car, if I put the whole car as one valuable thing, when I compare the value of the car as it is and what I'm going to spend, am I going to be winning or losing? Now, the car has, as you can see down there, it has several lights that are you see. There's AT oil. There's so many lights there, but according to the seller of this vehicle, they're not a big issue. All right. The engine, they don't affect the performance of the engine. And also, looking at how the car is and drives, it looks like it's not a big problem. But nevertheless, we're going to check. So the other thing is, the suspension of this vehicle. The suspension, the front suspension is completely short. I'm going to need to change it, and also I need to do servicing. I'm going to do a major service. I'm going to change the coolant. There is no coolant. I don't think there's coolant. I think there's water, and I don't think it does have the thermostat, because people here, for some reason, they like to take thermostats off because of very, very weird reasons that I will discuss later in my channel. But so far, the impressions are not. I think I could be winning. I don't know, but fingers crossed. Wish me luck, and please subscribe as I am continuing to update you regarding this vehicle. I'm going to do a lot of things to it, and then we're going to have a lot of fun with it, with the sister there, the Prado, and also that one, the Terracan. So now, and also the Sorento that is going to come here. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, and see you next. Thank you. Bye.